Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Spyderco Brouwer? I don't know how you say that, but looks like Brewer to me. This is a neat little knife, probably good for EDC tasks, and it folds up nice and small, so really great for carrying. The overall length on this guy is 6.7 inches, blade length of 2.7 inches, and the blade is S30V steel, and there you go, you have the maker's mark on the back there. It looks like a jack-o'-lantern. Very cool. And it is a frame lock knife with a lock bar insert. You can see that there. And you've got one handle scale that is G10, and it is a it has a liner on the inside of it, so it is not just a G10 scale. And you have titanium for the lock side of the frame. And you do have a pocket clip for tip up right or left-handed carry, and that's what the profile of the pocket clip looks like. And the handles are 4 inches in length, and there you go. This is the green model. Actually, there is only the green model. It's really dark green though, so against this background it actually looks kind of black. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. But anyways, there you have it. Go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com and buy it. This is the Spyderco Brewer.